My name is Enricha Masha. My register number is URK17CS176. Today we are going to see experiment number 8, that is friend functions. First program that we are going to see is to create a class distance and overload function plus minus greater than or equal to operator using friend function. Let's see the program. First we have declared the variables feet and inches, and we have initialized the feet and inches inside the constructor is equal to 0, and then we have given fixed values for feet and inches. In the void get data, we have asked the user to enter the distance in feet and inches. Then void display of, we are displaying the feet and inches. Here in this operator plus overloading, we are giving friend function, where it will add the two feet and inches and calculate if inches is greater than 12, then add 1 to the feet. Then we have a friend dist of operator minus, where we will minus two operators, two distance operators. And then we have boolean greater than or equal to distance, that is to check if distance 1 is greater than distance 2. If distance 1 is not greater than distance 2, then the operation minus operation, the subtraction operation does not take place. So in the main function we have declared the objects, then we have given that d1.getData, d2.getData, and then we are displaying the sum of the two distances, and then checking if distance 1 is greater than distance 2, and this operator will call the function minus overloading function, then else print this one. Let's see the output of this program. Distance and inches, we have inches 12, distance 23, and inches 70. We have got the answer. Let's see the program number 2. In program number 2, it is to create a class weather report that holds daily weather report using friend functions. Let's see the program. First we have initialized the variables for day of month, high temperature, low temperature, amount of rain, and amount of snow. Here we have a constructor called weather report, then get day of month, high temperature, low temperature, then amount of rain, amount of snow, then set it to a value, set functions. Then we have a friend void summary display of, where we are going to use this function to display the summary, and then we have set a friend weather report, that is to update the summary value. So first here we have a constructor where we are initializing the variables to a fixed values. Then we have get day of month, all the get and set functions. So day of month, high temperature, low temperature, amount of rain, and amount of snow. Then we have summary display of, where we are going to display the summary, summary of the daily, monthly report as a summary. So we will display that in this summary display of function. And in weather report updated, we will check if the temperature of the 1 day daily report is greater than the summary of the high temperature. If so, then the summary of high temperature will be equal to the 1 day daily report high temperature. Like that we will calculate for low temperature. Then we will add for amount of rain during that month, and then amount of snow during the months. In the main function, we will declare an array of object called w of equals to, where we are giving two weather reports from the user, and then we were checking, and then we will check for the summary. Here we will using for loop, we will create this weather report, and then updated w of I comma summary, where we will for one of the I, it will go and call the function and then calculate the summary. Then at last we will display the summary object, the values of the summary object. Let's see the output of this program. 57, low temperature. 12, amount of rain, 56 centimeters, amount of snow, which is 44, and enter the double. We have entering the next data. High temperature, maybe 45 degrees Celsius. Low temperature, which is 11. Amount of rain, maybe 45. Amount of snow is 4. We have got the month end report. This is the end of experiment number 8.